So if you're an architect just starting your career in Qatar, what if I told you that you could have an AI co-pilot for your entire design process? Well, today, with a big thumbs up from Green International, we're going to look at how tools like Snaptrude can help you design faster, smarter, and way more creatively than ever before. Let's dive in.
Okay, imagine this. You land a brand new project brief. But instead of that dreaded feeling of staring at a blank screen, you get a powerful, intelligent starting point within minutes. No more creative block, no more slow manual setup. Sounds pretty good, right? Let's see how it actually works.
All right, part one, the architect's blank slate. We're going to start with a challenge that every single architect knows, that pressure of the empty screen.
And we've all been there, haven't we? This feeling is totally universal. That first step can be so intimidating, and it just eats up hours and hours of valuable time that you could be spending on, actual creative design work. This comparison just lays it all out perfectly, the old way versus the new. On the left, you've got the traditional method, that endless cycle of drafts, manual edits, and redrawing. But on the right, you see an AI-powered workflow that gives you instant, data-rich 3D models and automated layouts. It's a total game changer, shifting from hours of tedious work to getting results in minutes.
So how do we actually make that leap? Well, it all starts by turning a simple idea, a text prompt, into a complete data-rich project program. And the process is actually way simpler than you'd think. You literally just feed the AI a project brief, kind of like how you describe it to a colleague. You define your project's location in Qatar, and then you just watch as the AI instantly generates a super detailed program and visualizes all the necessary spaces, like their building blocks.
And we're not just talking about a simple checklist here. What you get is a really comprehensive AI project program. It's this data-rich foundation for your entire project, and it comes complete with tables, diagrams, and all the precise area requirements you need, all generated for you.
This means you get absolutely critical data, like this area distribution analysis, right from day one. You can start making smart, informed decisions right away, instead of having to wait for hours of manual calculations to catch up.
Okay, part 3, designing with digital Legos. So once you have your program, this is where the truly creative part begins. And honestly, this is where it feels less like tedious drafting and more like playing with a super high-tech Lego set.
Seriously, just think of it this way. The AI lays out all the spaces from your program as these individual blocks. You can then just pick them up, arrange them, and put together your building intuitively. It makes the whole design process feel so much more fluid and, well, fun.
You basically have this whole AI design toolkit right at your fingertips. It helps you figure out the best adjacencies, it packs spaces efficiently, and it keeps all of your data live linked to the design. So every little change you make is instantly reflected everywhere else. No more manual updates.
And here's the magic trick. Once you've got your massing model just the way you like it, one click transforms the whole thing into a fully detailed building information model, or BIM, a smart 3D model where all the walls, floors, and components are just generated for you. It's incredible.
All right, part 4, building your competitive edge. Because using this technology isn't just about being efficient. It's about building a real, tangible advantage for yourself in Qatar's super fast-paced architectural landscape.
It really boils down to this. AI handles the tedious, repetitive stuff. It automates all that grunt work, which frees you up to focus on why you became an architect in the first place, to solve problems creatively, and to produce truly exceptional designs.
This is exactly how you accelerate your career. By iterating on designs way faster, you learn more quickly. You can build a stunning, data-rich portfolio in a fraction of the time. And as Green International points out, this gives you a serious edge, allowing you to deliver higher quality, more thoughtful work to your clients.
Ultimately, this isn't just about your career. It's bigger than that. It's about your role in shaping the very skyline of the future.
The old ways of working, they're a bottleneck on your potential. Don't let slow, manual processes limit your creativity or your impact.
The choice is pretty clear, isn't it? By embracing these tools, you're choosing a smarter, more efficient, and definitely more creative way to practice architecture.
So I'll leave you with this question. With tools that can amplify your creativity and turbocharge your workflow, how will you make your mark and shape the future of design right here in Qatar?